The Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro is a premium smartwatch that delivers on all expectations. It's designed for endurance and elegance, with a titanium alloy body, sapphire glass display, and ceramic back. The raised bezel adds a subtle boldness, and the 1.47-inch AMOLED screen is bright and clear even in sunlight. The watch is also built tough, with a water and dust resistance rating of 5 ATM and IP69. Despite its size and rugged finish, it sits comfortably and feels surprisingly light on the wrist. Huawei's new TrueSense health system goes beyond standard heart rate and sleep tracking, detecting up to 12 emotional states, monitoring skin temperature, ECG, and arterial stiffness, and providing insights into daily health patterns. For athletes, the watch offers over 100 workout modes, dual-band GPS, and specialized tools for various sports. GPS accuracy is top-notch, and the all-new mapping and route guidance features make outdoor exploration effortless. Cyclists get pro-level features like virtual power and FTP tracking, while runners can measure gradient-adjusted pace for smarter performance management. Huawei's battery life is unmatched, offering up to 21 days on a single charge and easily lasting over a week. This means less charging time and more time for use. It's not a replacement for a smartphone, but rather a balance of pro-grade fitness and health tracking in a luxury watch. Starting at 4,999 Rand, or 169 Rand per month, the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro is one of the best smartwatches available, not because it tries to do everything, but because it perfects design, endurance, and real-life intelligence.